Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Carlos from Alublack. Today we'll be speaking a little bit about our Gladiator. This vehicle is a 2023 Jeep Gladiator TJ. It is the 3.6 Penta. As you can see, we've rigged it out with all of the goodies you can get at Alublack. I'll go through everything with you from the front to the back, starting with the bumper, tires, suspension, and we'll go a little bit into more detail about that. Alright, so starting in the front, we've got a well-dog steel bumper in the front, which complements the vehicle beautifully. Marcus at MTech provided us with a shorty antenna, which provides the convoy communications. For winch and recovery, we've got a Tiger Shark 9,500 synthetic winch. Going to the suspension. Well, the suspension was a little bit difficult. We couldn't find much in SA for the TJ, so we got our friends at Springworks to turn a set of custom coils for us, and African Longhorn sent us a set of 2.5 adjustable STR shocks. So moving to the top, we've got a beautiful 50-inch light bar, and this is our custom TJ roof rack for the TJ that we ourselves manufacture. It's a beautiful rack that we manufacture. It's got M8 slots everywhere, proper heavy-duty load distributed feet. On top of that, we've got a LT50 alu cab tent. Alright, moving on from there, on the inside of the vehicle or in the bin, you've got various options that you can choose from. You can choose from our drop-down fridge slide or tilt slide. So this moves out and it gives you access to whatever you might have in here. In this case, we just want to keep the beer cold. And the nice thing about it is it's gas assisted, so the lady can easily get to everything. From there, we've got our kitchen unit. Now in the kitchen unit, you've got two big drawers on top, which you can put your pots and pans, knives and forks. You've got intermediate slide, so in here you'll put your knives, forks and cutlery. And at the bottom, you've got a two burner stove, or you've got the option for induction. Moving on from the kitchen unit, we've got our pantry. Now in the pantry, the whole unit comes out. Now there's a bunch of storage shelves up here. In the back there's a bunch of storage. You can, from the Tabasco bottles to your pots and pans, or even depending how you pack everything, spices and all of that. You've got a nice working area, cutting food and meat and stuff like that, which is sanitized. Going to the back, you've got a nice clean up area or workspace. Alright, so after you've done making food and cleaning up, obviously you want to take a nice hot shower and go to bed. Moving to the back, this is our backpack unit. So what this is an all-in-one unit. You give this unit water, and inside of it you've got your gas bottle and your shower. So all you do is you give your unit water, and from here you can take a nice hot shower, or you can wash up the dishes. If you want cold water, you just turn off the geyser, you got cold water. In the rear, we've got a nice large 1 meter drawer. It's about 70 millimeters deep. In here, well, it's up to you. In here you can put your recovery gear, you can make a kitchen out of it, you can use it as storage, the workspace, it's all up to you. So on this side, what I've decided to do is this is our basic universal 2 drawer. So you've got a drawer for the missus and yourself, and at the top you can add your table that comes with the drawer. Up here is for the soft goodies. So up here you put your pillows, your bedding, all the light things that you use. So up here I've got a small tent for the little one, and I've got a hammock, and that's about it for now. Now obviously the most important thing of an overlanding vehicle is the power system. The whole thing is to go where nobody's been and to have all the luxuries you do at home. So this is our intermediate power module. This one has not been wired, but I'll take you through it. So this module can accommodate a 105 battery. Yeah, you can do all the switching, fusing, whatever you like to do. This is just all storage, so you've got a deep storage space in here that you can put in extensions or adapters. It can accommodate up to an 800 watt Victron inverter, and on top here is just loose goodies that you can secure fastly if you need.